Hi guys, I have recently ordered Osmo DJI Pocket 3. So I'm gonna open it. Actually, I have majority of videos I have decided to make indoor, okay. But sometimes I go outside and sometimes I travel in different locations. My phone camera is great, okay. I'm currently recording through my phone camera, but the problem is when I walk, it shakes a lot. The stability is not great. Any kind of phone camera, the stability is not good. So it is one of the best for making videos. So I said, okay, I bought the refurbished one, not the brand new one. So, but I bought it from a very reputed company. So I believe, and I have 1 year guarantee. So let's open it, okay? Oh, I don't want to go deep further. Hold for a moment. Okay. Yeah. La la la. So this is the DJI. Oh, I have it's a creator combo. So I believe it's not only the camera. Is there are a few other things inside? Let's open it. Okay. I'll be very careful because if I find any issues, I need to return. Okay. Ouch. Let's see. Okay. I have to keep this document safe. Okay. And okay. Let's first open the camera. Are you ready? Okay, it is divided in parts, I believe. Oh no, this is the one. Oh. Pocket 3? What? Have the same. This bag is great, right? To carry. And I believe it is waterproof. They have charger, tripod, and microphone as well for So, do you love photography or videography? Do you use phone camera always, or you just some of my friends, they're completely professional. They have like drones, then Nikon, Canon with different types of the lenses, wide lens, prime lens, kit lens, and then of course I mentioned drone, and then they have cameras for videography, cameras for photography. I'm not that rich. I'm a poor person. I work to survive. I barely survive. I believe this is a protector. I have I need to learn how to put it inside. I believe it's I don't know. I'll check the instructions later. Okay, that's all I have for today. I'll make some candles. Okay, I just have I'm planning. We'll see you soon.